Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout that my background is basil cardstock. Alright, so I'm going to use that green feather pattern, and it's from Pink Paisley Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 22. I'm going to use there's like a purple and pink geometric shaped pattern, which I cut from the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 4. And I'm not sure where I went. Perhaps I'm looking for something. Alright, so that strip is, I thought I saw that where I wrote that down on here. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. Okay, so I have that orange and white pattern. There we go. And that is Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer called Comfy Sweater. And these are my great nephews at the corn maze and pumpkin patch. And then this leaf pattern is from Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 23. And I'm going to cut a circle. I'm going to use several different patterns. And then I'm going to put some squares over top of the circles. And so the photo mat that I used behind my picture, as well as where I'm using the stencil to cut the squares, And I'm going to be cutting the squares using the basil cardstock as well. All right. All right, so now I'm going to be using a tree pattern, and that is from the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 7. All right. There's the tree pattern that I use. And then I will put a square on top of that one as well. Excuse me. All right, so now it's time for embellishing. Sorry. I'm going to use the die cuts, and they are Hip Kit Club's exclusive die cuts. Cozy Up. These strips I just cut from white scraps from my scrap drawer, and that'll be for my journaling. Sorry. And that Hello Fall is going to be part of my title, because I'm going to do Hello Fall and then an ampersand and then corn maze. So Hello Fall and corn maze. And I used the autumn phrase sticker, which is from the past kit, but October. It may have been September's kit where I got that, but anyway. So the the autumn is the Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive free stickers. That's what I thought. I was like, what? But anyway, so the corn maze is Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive puppy alphabet stickers and the, I don't think the ampersand is, I think I took it from my drawer, my mini drawers of stickers here. Let me see if I can find the one I used. Pen, you're okay. You don't have to leave or do anything. Really, is that going to scare you? Dude. Alright, then go up on the counter. Go up there. Or stay here. I didn't mean to scare you. Oh, right here. I think the ampersand is this one, Happy Day stickers. You want to get up there? Alright. Go. I gotta pick up some stickers that I dropped. Oops. Ah. And then some of the letters fall off. Okay. Sorry. And then I use those stickers, which are Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up. Oh, sorry. Alright. Continuing on. I had, as I was doing other layouts, I found die cuts that would go with certain pictures, in which I have those pictures already out. So I would put the die cuts I wanted to use for that particular picture out for when I scrapped them. And so I need more, so I'm going to, of course, add. I just kept the ones that I knew would fit, and then can always add once I work on it. So using more of the die cuts. I am going to use the clear. So I'm using the clear die cuts from the Cozy Up. They're the exclusive Hip Kit Club acetate die cuts. Are the chipboard stickers that are also Cozy Up. And those are the exclusive Hip Kit Club's chipboard stickers. Pretty much this whole kit was Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up. Pretty much. Except for I use the enamel shapes, which are My Mind's Eye Heritage. My Heritage? Yeah, My Heritage. Oh, I gotta move my blinds. The sun is, oops, wrong way. There we go, it's coming in. Need to get a drink. Oh, I thought I brought my coffee cup in the kitchen. I guess I did not. So, to finish this up, I feel like I need something else down there, so I do end up using some phrase stickers. Leaf die cuts, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive acetate die cuts. And then the leaf and florals are the chipboard Cozy Up exclusive chipboard stickers. And my computer is taking me an hour just to do this one voiceover because it keeps messing up. hopefully it works this time, and then I can do my last one. And I gotta go eat something. I think I'll just have a protein shake. Stickers just to kind of help finish off the bottom so everything just doesn't look throwed down there. I mean, I did strategically place them and just throw them down there, but you know. So now it's just a matter of gluing all those down. And then once I get those down, I am going to add the enamel shapes. Use all of them up. Do not have any more of them left. And if I do, it's... But I haven't seen them unless they're in my drawer of leftover supplies. So I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, I'm going to let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye, guys.